Hey kitty girls, I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys pretty much my everyday routine. I wanted to say 10-minute, but sometimes it takes me a little bit longer. Y'all see me when I groove ready. I like to take my time getting ready. Can't rush perfection, remember? This year I really want to learn to level up my makeup, and I guess I'm going to start by doing the basics and starting a capsule makeup collection because I don't even have like the basic. I am by no means a professional. If anything, we're learning alongside each other. This is mostly going to be my makeup opinions because boy do I have a lot of them. I know we've all probably seen that TikTok of that girl saying that the baddies don't put on makeup like they used to anymore. And another trend I'm noticing on TikTok is 2014 is supposed to be, I guess, reincarnated in 2024. We're living like it's 2014 basically, which everyone talks about the summer of 2016 when I was a literal child back then. I think I was 13 turning 14. So yes, please, let's relive the 2010s. I'm here for it, as long as the 2010 eyebrows don't come back, because I definitely was a victim of that. I think I started learning to do my eyebrows in middle school, and boy, Instagram brows had me in a chokehold. I mean, today, I wouldn't argue that they're any thinner. I just don't put as much product on them. My e.l.f. pencil has been my ride or die since that era, but I don't layer it on like I used to. We're not drawing on brows. We already have them. We're just filling in where I fricked up and pulled out my hairs. I've also got to get more comfortable just wearing stuff on my face in general because, you know, if you don't ever wear makeup, you're going to feel weird when you have a full face on and then you're going to touch your face and rub it. So I got to get used to just being a baddie in general. Baddies don't touch their face in public. You're not supposed to anyway because acne, but now I'm going to have a legitimate excuse to not mess up my makeup. Right now I'm using a brush to put on my foundation stick just because there's none left in there. I'm scraping the bottom of the tube, I know you see it, just so that I can cover my eye bags a little bit. I ordered a new stick, which I just never got around to unboxing. I'm finally doing that in this video. I ordered that for my birthday. We're in almost the middle of January. I don't know what the holdup was. Procrastination is my middle name, perhaps. But it's finally done, and I can't wait to use my new foundation. I think the main reason I haven't opened it is because I still have some. Why would I throw it out? We're riding it until the wheels fall all the way off, okay? And the brush is good just to get, you know, right up underneath the eye. The stick, I don't want to drag a stick on my face anyway. That causes wrinkles. I don't think my routine is that many products either. This foundation is probably the most expensive thing, and the blush isn't even over $20. Nothing in my routine is bank breaking because I am a budget girly. We can look beautiful on a budget. You know, genetics did half the work for me. Can we cue the corny beauty guru unboxing music? That era was really my Roman Empire. I think that's why I love YouTube today. Just because, oh my God, don't cancel me for saying this because I don't know if the allegations are true or not. But James Charles, back in the day, if you weren't watching the Sister Squad videos when they first dropped, you weren't living life. I think it's because I was also their age around that time when they were living life. So it was kind of like, I don't want to say envy because that's almost like a bad word. But it was like, dang, Emma, bring me with you to Coachella next time, please. I wish Dope would fly me out. Another thing, do y'all remember the Dope situation? Because for me, that was like my Dramageddon. Because one of the girls I actually followed, I think the only 2 black girls that were on the trip, and it was just so sad to see them getting bullied. As an aspiring influencer, it's like, dang, am I really going to get treated like that? Which we're gonna get real deep. I know you didn't expect that from a makeup video. That's kind of how I felt about college too. When I was in the 10th grade, or maybe it was 9th grade, high school's a little fuzzy, don't ask me too many questions. We had to do a project for a computer science class or something like that. It was researching colleges we wanted to go to, you know, basic high school assignments. Why did I choose Berkeley? Well, I knew why I chose Berkeley, but then as soon as I pull up like the first article about Berkeley, it's like racism. It was straight hazing and bullying and harassing and blatant racism. I said, oh my God, Is this what life after high school is gonna be like? I already live in a rinky-dink middle of nowhere town where you get stared at for being 2 shades too dark, but I don't know. It's gotta be more to life than just discrimination. These big beauty brands definitely don't seem to think so either, though. So I guess the common denominator is the dark skin. These 2 products that I'm using are both from Walmart, actually, and I love them from infinity to infinity. This e.l.f. one, before you even bark in the comment section about how it's not my shade, shh. I know, sweetheart. That's the point. Obviously, y'all haven't been listening to the UK girlies when they say brighten that base up. The only step that I'm really missing is powder, because that would blend everything together beautifully. But I'm not that advanced yet. It's not my expertise. We're working our way up the ladder. So this is a great segment to say, if y'all have any advice, go ahead, shoot me a comment, call me, beat me if you want to reach me. I love constructive criticism. I think I'm also going to start following a lot more tutorials. I just want to keep trying different makeup styles until I find the one that I like. You know, like UK girl, I'm cold makeup, which can't be cold all the time, but different makeup styles. And if the UK girlies have a makeup style, do the Australian black girls have a signature makeup style? I might have to take that question at TikTok to get an answer, but we'll figure it out. Because we're all in this together. I swear, by the end of the year, it won't even take me the end of the year. Once I create my capsule collection, y'all aren't going to be able to tell me anything. Like, make makeup great again. Trump who? Putting that stuff on our face. I want to be as orange as him when I'm done. I haven't even gushed about my favorite products. Mented is a really, like, my brand for real. And life is going to come full circle when we're working together. Because my mom put me onto this brand and I've been in love ever since. That was probably like senior year of high school. And it just, skin. They named it correctly because that's what it gives every single time.
Can we talk about how cunt that was? No, for real. I forgot flip phones were back too. I guess it really is true that trend cycles are every 20 years because it's so 2004 right now. Fuck 2014. Y'all jumped all the way back. Also, I tried to show my eyelash extension routine with true timing and no cuts, but it's just not gonna happen, sweetheart. Not right now, at least. Once I figure out the angle, I'll come back and holler at you. Let me breathe, please.
Maybe that's why all the OG beauty gurus, they used to go off camera and then come back with their eyebrows done, which is like half the routine.
But congratulations, kitty girl. You made it to the end of the video. That means either you're absolutely in love with me or you love the way it feels to be a hater. Either way, I'll catch you on the flip side.